What's up guys, welcome back to another video. And I just want to take the time to ask you, I'm about to hit the gym right now, and I just want to take up my phone real quick and just quickly ask you guys one particular question. Would you like me to record and show you guys how I am building my tutorial business? That's what I want to know. I know you guys might be enjoying those mindset videos and discipline and all these things. And honestly, that's the most important thing that you really need to build a tutorial business. But at the same time, I would like to know what you guys need, right? For me, I'm achieving some level of success as I mentioned before, and that's good, but I would like to help you guys more. I would like to help you more. So I had this thought just now while hitting the gym. What time is it? 5:47. Yeah, early morning, and this is what I love, right? I'm able, know that I have a team. I can choose to go to the gym when I want. I can do whatever I need, but at the same time give thanks to my wife. She's still in bed, but she'd be able to get up in the morning and still be able to take care of my son and so forth, right? So I can hit the gym. So still without her, I wouldn't be able to hit the gym. But yeah, I'm curious to know, would you like me to start to tell you more, document more about how I'm actually building this, give you tips and so forth, right? How I am actually building my YouTube business. And if so, let me know in the comments, right? This is just a quick video. It's not even with my Sony camera, it's just my phone, so the quality might not be so good, but I just want to get this message across so you guys can tell me if this is something that you would enjoy. Sorry about my hand being wobbly, I'm driving, but yeah, I'm curious. And if so, and I get some good feedback on this video, guys, then I'm gonna start to get into that, document that, show you more, maybe do a little bit more of screen recording so you can see how things are actually going and everything, right? That's just what I'm thinking right now. So let me know. I'm curious, and based on the feedback on this video, the likes, the comments, I would know what you need. And if you're a person who are just seeing my channel for the first time, I'm Andrew, right? I'm currently working a full-time job while building my YouTube business on the side. I have around 9 channels, 1 monetized. That 1 channel is actually fueling my business, so it's still good, but I'm building more. So I just want to take the time to share this with you, and if you guys want to jump on the journey early, as I said, if you're new to my channel, you can also comment, like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments as well if this is something that you'd like. And if you're a person who have seen my videos before, even better, let me know in the comments below as well. Thank you guys for watching. I'm almost at the gym, and yeah, that's basically it for now, guys. Thank you guys. I'm looking forward to see you in my next video, and I'm looking forward to see these comments.